everyone and welcome to Into Music with the Voices Foundation. We're so happy to have you here with us. We'll be here every Friday until the end of term to get you into musical learning at home. Together we'll be playing with musical concepts, practicing new skills and learning fun new songs you can sing with the whole family. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. Today's songs are all about people and meeting people, and what better way to meet people than to sing a hello welcoming song. This is the way that we're going to warm up our voices today. We're going to sing Jambo, an East African greeting song with the Swahili word jambo, which means hello. And it goes like this. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. So there's actions, there's lots to do, but there's one beautiful word, which is hello, 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 which I just think is a lovely, lovely thing to say. So on the first two jambos, we're going to wave at each other. Jambo, jambo. Can you do that? Jambo, jambo. Then we're going to clap on our legs and our hands together for jambo, 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 jam. Your turn. Jambo, 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 jam. Very, very good. Let's put that all together. Off we go. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Very good, we did it twice. Get us. Then we sing jambo, 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 jam. And I'm going to make us click up here so that we know that it's a higher pitch. Off I go. Jambo, 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 jam. Your turn, go. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Very, very good. You did it twice again. Then we sing jambo, 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 jam. Your turn. Jambo, 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 jam. Let's sing the whole song together now. Off we go. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. I got it wrong. Let's do it one more time so I can get it right and you can see me getting it right. Hurrah! Off we go. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Jambo, 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 jam. Yes! Okay, the next thing we're going to do to warm up is a chant, and it's a chant about bubblegum. That's something that you share with your friends, right? Maybe. Or even your family. Maybe. It goes like this. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chew and blow. Bubblegum, bubblegum, scrape your toe. Bubblegum, bubblegum, tastes so sweet. Get that bubblegum off your feet. We're going to match the rhythm of the words by putting a pattern onto our bodies. So every time we say bubblegum, we're going to do leg, leg, clap. We're going to do right, left, clap. So bubblegum, bubblegum. Then we're going to sing chew and blow. Your turn. Chew and blow. Let's put that together. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chew and blow. Very good. Then we're going to do the same for the next bit. Bubblegum, bubblegum, scrape your toe. Go. Bubblegum, bubblegum, scrape your toe. Very, very good. We're going to do the same for the next bit. Bubblegum, bubblegum, tastes so sweet. Go. Bubblegum, bubblegum, tastes so sweet. Then we're going to do get that bubblegum off your feet. Go. Get that bubblegum off your feet. Very, very good. Let's try and put it all together. Off we go. Bubblegum, bubblegum, chew and blow. Bubblegum, bubblegum, scrape your toe. Bubblegum, bubblegum, tastes so sweet. Get that bubblegum off your feet. Okay, we've warmed up our voices and we've warmed up our bodies and we're ready to go. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, click the notification bell so you can see everything that we're getting up to here on the Voices Foundation channel. You can also follow us at Twitter at voices_found and use the hashtag VFIntoMusic so we can see everything that you do if you tag us as well. The second song that we're going to sing today is going to help us understand a little bit more about pitch. I think I've told you that musicians give pitches different names, such as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And our song today is going to use do, re, mi, fa and so, and we're going to use them in step going up and steps going down. Here's our song. Once a man fell in a well, splish, splash, splosh he sounded, wished he had not fallen in, very nearly drowned. I'm going to sing it again and I'm going to sign it using my hand signs. Once a man fell in a well, splish, splash, splosh he sounded, wished he had not fallen in, very nearly drowned. You can see that 3 of the phrases go up and 1 goes down. See if you can spot which ones they are. Off I go again. Once a man fell in a well, splish, splash, splosh he sounded, wish he hadn't fallen in, very nearly drowned. We could call the ones going up A and the ones coming down B. So to me, I think it goes A, B. Let's check. Once a man fell in a well, splish, splash, splosh he sounded, wished he had not fallen in, very nearly drowned. I think that's right. We've done a little bit about phrase there, but the main thing that I wanted to talk to you about this song today was with pitch. So I'm now going to sing it to you in solfa. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. So, fa, mi, re, do, do. I'm still singing the words in my head. Once a man fell in a well. But I'm just singing the pitches out loud. I'm going to do it again. You can join me if you like. Off we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. So, fa, mi, re, do, do. If there's more than one of you watching this video, you can sing it in a canon, like this. Off I go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, 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 fa, so, 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 fa, so, re, mi, fa, so, re, mi, fa, so, re, mi, fa, so, so, mi, re, do, fa, mi, re, do, do. I hope you had great fun singing in solfa. What a professional musician you are. I'd love to see how you could represent that on the page. Maybe you could draw a do to so staircase, or you could draw a pitch ladder, or show me some way to represent the music going up or the music going down. Tag us on Twitter, hashtag VFIntoMusic, and I'll get to have a look. The last song we're going to sing together today is a great song called I Heard, and you might have known this as John Kanaka Naka or The Old Man Say, and it's just a great fun song that we can sing together. I'm going to do some of the actions in Makatong, and I'm going to have some of it as a rhythm percussion on my body. Off I go, I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye, today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. This is such a fun song, and if there's more than one of you, you can clap your hands together. My turn, your turn. I heard the old man say, off you go. I heard the old man say. Then we're going to sing John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Your turn. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. What we're going to do is do both hands on John onto our thighs. John. Then Kanaka Naka, we're going to go right, left. Kanaka Naka, ending on your right. Then clap your hands. Tulaye. So it'll be John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. I'll do that again. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. So the whole of that first line is I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. I bet you've got it. Then we're going to do this. Today's a holiday. Your turn. Today's a holiday. Then we do the John Kanaka Naka bit again, and we know that. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Go. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Let's put that all together. Off we go. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Let's put it from the beginning. I heard, okay, off we go. I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Very, very good. The next bit goes like this. Tulaye. Your turn. Tulaye. Then it's the John bit again. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Go. John Kanaka. Oh. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Got too excited. Then we do that again. Tulaye. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. That's the whole song. And I thought that we would explore some dynamics. Ooh, what are dynamics? Dynamics are the volume level of music, so how high or loud or how soft and quiet the volume level can be. Music often uses Italian terms, and when music is soft or quiet we call it piano, and when music is loud and strong we call it forte. Can you say that with me? Piano, and forte. Very, very good. So let's try and sing the whole song piano, okay? Off we go. I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Very, very good. This time, let's start quietly, but let's crescendo, which means getting louder, to forte at the end, okay? So by the time we get to Tulaye, we want to be quite loud, but then the last one's going to be really loud. Are you ready? Off we go. I heard the old man say, John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Today's a holiday. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. John Kanaka Naka Tulaye. Thank you all for being with us today. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed the songs used in today's video, be sure to check out the Voices Foundation Inside Music books, linked in the description below. We hope you enjoy singing these songs over the weekend and we can't wait to see you next Friday. Bye for now!